This is a very simple yet powerful magic trick that freaks people out. So the magician's got a deck of cards and asks the spectator to reach in and pull out any card that they like. So in this case, the spectator chooses this card here. I'll show this to the camera right now, and this card is the 8 of spades, but the magician won't know this. The card is then returned to the table, and the magician says we're going to put this card back into the deck in the fairest way possible. He picks up the card and just tells the spectator to say stop whenever they like, and wherever he says stop, that is where the card will be returned to in the deck. So the spectator says stop here, and the card is returned into that exact position in the deck. There's no funny moves, and everything is clean and fair. The spectators agree. The magician then picks up the card and asks the spectator for the value and suit of their card. They said it was the 8 of spades. The magician then says, look, if I wanted to turn the 8 of spades face up, I could very easily just go through the deck, find the 8 of spades, and turn it face up like this. But that would be too easy. So instead what I'm going to do is snap my fingers and turn every single card in the deck face up. Every card apart from one. And this one card that is face down just so happens to be your 8 of spades. The spectators are fooled. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So my name's Oscar Owen and I'm a professional magician and magic coach, and I really hope you enjoyed that performance, and I'm really excited to teach you the secret behind this effect. Now, very quickly, if you want to become an amazing magician and become the life of the party and learn magic in less than 90 days, then please check out my card magic course, Card Magic Pro. It's the most popular magic course in the world with over 10,000 students, and it just teaches the best magic tricks ever created, and it will turn you into an amazing magician in 90 days or less. It's absolutely perfect for beginners who just want to learn the best magic tricks that are just too good to reveal on YouTube, so click the first link in the description to check it out. So this is one of my absolute favourite card tricks because the spectators just don't actually expect what happens at the end, and it's those unexpected moments in magic that really make the illusion that much more powerful. So in order to do this trick, you need to take any deck of cards, and the setup takes literally 1 second to do. All you're going to do is turn the deck of cards over, take the bottom 2 cards and flip them face down. Then turn the rest of the deck over one more time, and you're in this position here where all the cards are face down, and then on the bottom of the deck you've got 2 cards that are face up. Now obviously you don't want to do this in front of the spectators because they might catch you, but because this setup literally takes half a second if that, if you get given a deck of cards, you can just very casually, as you're sort of looking through them before the trick really starts, turn over the bottom 2 cards near you and you're ready to get going. Once you've done that, you want to ask the spectator to reach in and pull out any card that they like, and this is genuinely a free choice. However, it's very important that you don't spread through all the cards and go to the very bottom because you might flash these 2 cards here. So all you're going to do is just slowly spread through the cards, and I just spread through, maximum 2/3 of the way through the deck. They can choose any card that they want, and that's how you get them to select the card. Now, the only move that happens is the following. As the spectator is looking at their selection, which in this case is the 3 of clubs, you're simply going to place the cards onto the table and flip the deck over as you do this. That's the only move. It's really that simple. And you've got all the misdirection in the world to do this because the spectator is looking at their card. So this is what it looks like. They've just taken a card out, and you say, look at your card and remember it. And as soon as their eyes glance down at their card to remember it, you simply place the cards onto the table and just flip it over like this. The spectators aren't expecting a move, and this is so natural, no one will ever see this happen. They will then return the card to you, and you're going to say that, look, we're going to return the card into the deck in the fairest way possible. You just take the card face down and you say stop whenever you want. They might say stop here, and you push the card in very slowly. And I really make this into a moment because you want to burn the image of the face down card going into a face down deck like this. Now obviously it's really going to a face up deck, that's the whole trick that we're doing. So what I do is I just slowly push it in and say something like, as you can see, there's no breaks and everything here is ultra clean and fair. They will agree, and then what you do is ask them for what their card is. So they will say the name of their card. In this case, it's the 3 of clubs. And you say, awesome, look, if I wanted to turn the 3 of clubs the other way around, I could just go through the deck and I could just find the 3 and turn it face up like this. And what you're doing here is, obviously there's 2 cards on top of the deck, and you're just pushing the top card to the side and flipping it over like this. Now, having the second card here acts as a real convincer that the whole deck is face down, when in reality it's all face up. Then you go, but that would be too easy, so I'm going to snap my fingers, I'm going to spread through the cards, and all of the cards are now going to be face up. Now what you do is you just spread all the cards onto the table, and obviously their card will be the only one that's face down, apart from the other card that is here. So very importantly, when you're spreading through the cards, you spread through the cards, you get to their face down card, and then you just stop the spread early so there's still a clump of cards here, and you don't flash or reveal that this card here is also face down. Then you allow the spectator to find their card and take it out and reveal it's the only one in the deck that's face down. This is a simple, powerful trick that you can learn in a couple of minutes, and I hope you enjoy performing it. If you want to become a really confident and impressive magician in 90 days or less, then check out this video here where I explain exactly how to do it.